Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the speakers on the Macbook Air M1 model. To start, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair which are listed in the description. First, turn off the MacBook and if connected to the power outlet, disconnect it. Next, take off the bottom case cover by using P5 pentalobe screwdriver. First, undo 6 screws securing the cover. Please note that the screws are different lengths, so keep track of their places for reassembly. Next, gently lift the bottom case cover using a pry tool. Start using the tool from the hinges area and gently work around the edges to separate the clips. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, pull out the bottom cover. Next, disconnect the battery connector. First, lift the lever and then gently disconnect the cable using a pry tool. First, take out the bracket by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the speaker plug. Next, undo the screw on the right side speaker. Next, use the pull tab to extract the adhesive strip holding the speaker unit. Next, gently pull out the not working right side speaker. You can use a pry tool if needed. Next, disconnect the left side speaker connector plug from the board. Next, undo the screw holding the left side speaker. Next, use the pull tab to extract the adhesive strip holding the speaker. If the pull tab gets damaged, use a pry tool to lift the speaker unit. Be gentle while using the tool. Next, pull out the not working left side speaker from the body. Next, replace the required loudspeaker unit as needed. Next, place and secure the new left side speaker in the body with adhesive. And then secure the screw. And also secure the connector to the board. Next, secure the new right side speaker in the body with adhesive. And then fasten the screw and the plug. Next, secure the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the battery connector and then secure the connection lever. Next, it is good to turn on the device for testing. Once the testing completes, place and secure the bottom cover. Before placing the screws, ensure the proper placement. Next, secure 6 screws. Make sure to place the correct screw sizes in the original placement. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.